Yes, Priyanka, where are you?
Como?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm
Hi,
here.
hi.
Hi.
Yes, hi,
Thank you, Priyanka,
Priyanka.
for coming
Hello
on.
everyone. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah,
It's
welcome,
really nice
welcome,
to see
dear.
you, ma'am.
Yes, welcome, dear.
Tell us, Priyanka.
Hello. Yeah,
Yeah, Priyanka.
actually, I just wanted to share my experiences with
Mm-hmm.
Reiki and Merkaba.
Okay.
So before Merkaba, I learned Reiki, and I have done healings with Reiki on myself only, and on my houses and all. So I experienced a lot of things. Uh, Before a few years, like 2 to 3 years before, when I was in Reiki, I had extreme stomach pain, and I was not able to bear that at all. Was not able to even drink water, or some whatever, or not even able to take intake of anything. So I thought that I should go to the doctor first, because it was literally unbearable for me. But I thought again that why I'm not uh, uh, taking my healings, whether it will give me some effect or not. So I tried my healing with Reiki. I do my chakra healing and my stomach healing. So I got on first day almost 40% healing effect,
Mm-hmm.
and I cured 40% on first day. Then even next day I tried it again, and almost 80 to 90% I got cured on next day. So it took almost 2 days for Reiki
Mm-hmm.
healing. Okay. So same as now I'm experiencing my pain in any kind of body pain, like my headache. Now I'm doing with Merkaba healing. It just getting cured in 1 day, and it's almost like Merkaba taking almost half the time Reiki takes.
Mm-hmm.
And it was like a day when I wake up in the morning, it was severe headache. And even my husband said to me, Priyanka, you are not able to do anything with this headache. We should go to the doctor now. But I told him that doctor will give me only painkiller.
Mm.
What doctor can do another that? Right? So what he can do or what she can do? She will give me that painkiller and she will suppress my pain. That's it. I will do my healings and I will be very fine till the evening or next day morning. I did my healings with Merkaba, and in a day I cured myself completely without even
Oh.
a single medicine. And it was just like miracle for me. Even my husband told me, how you get fine? You didn't take any medicine and you are absolutely fine now. No, that is a miracle of that healing, nothing
Mm-hmm.
else. So I have experience with Reiki. I have experience with Merkaba also. Even
Mm.
when I was in only Reiki, I did healings for my house and all, because in my husband and me, there were many fights in between us. We were like staying with each other, but just like paying guests. Two people are staying in a house with fights only, nothing else. So my Reiki master that time, she just suggest me that along with you do healing for your house also, because your vibrations are spreading in your house, and it's
Mm-hmm.
giving you more and more negative effects, because there is negativity in between you, in within you, right? So I tried house healing with Reiki. So some sort of fights are getting lesser. We got some stability, but we didn't get any solution with that. We were fighting, but lesser than the before. That's it.
Mm.
Not any conclusion. It didn't give us any conclusion. What should
Mm-hmm.
we? Should we continue a relationship? Should we continue a marriage, or we should get divorced? Literally, the condition was like
My
that.
God.
Then when I started Markaba with Kavita ma'am, things slowly getting changed. Like I changed myself. I start loving myself. I start caring with my with myself, and like that vibration spread in my house. And I told him, I experienced that something is getting different with me. It's getting difference. It's getting affected by within me, that I'm changing. I didn't give any importance to me. I neglect myself. I never loved myself. I didn't care for myself. I always think for my family. Where am I?
Mm.
Where am I? So then Kavita ma'am always tell us that first of all, take care of yourself, love yourself, because always you comes first for yourself, then others come. So I started healings with me, and
Okay.
it's literally I felt that change, very positive change in me. Now I'm talking with you very confidently, but I was literally like that. Okay, how can I talk? How can I say? What should I say? The condition was like that for me. And even when I started all these things, I suggest my husband that why don't you attend at least a session with
Mhm.
Kavita ma'am or Vijay sir, any one of them, just see what they say, how they talk, what they're telling you. They're really like extremely higher level. Whatever they tell you will change, you will feel changes, you will feel the difference. There is something. Then that time he told me that Priyanka, you're doing now, you do it. I don't believe in all these things. I will not attend anything. You do it. I will not oppose you. I'm like, okay, fine. It's your decision. After all, it should come from yourself that I want to do this, right? I
Mm.
can't force you. You should take that stand for yourself. I want to do this. So then, days by days, uh, changes are happening and all, and even our relationship get better and better day by
Wow.
day. And now we are like, no, we don't want any divorce. We will stay together always, at any
Oh.
condition, at any cost. We are together and we will be together. So
Oh.
now even he said that before few days that Priyanka, something is happening with us. Huh? My pending works are getting done. I tried it many times and I faced many obstacles. You are doing healing, but I'm getting effect.
Wow.
I'm getting results. And I told him that yes, it is, because whatever I'm doing, you are getting effects, you are getting that vibrations, our house getting that vibrations, and even you are getting that vibration. That's why your work, your all pending work is going to get done, and it will happen with everything. He
Mm-hmm.
said literally that yes, it is there, it had something. I refuse it, I reject it, but now I am agree with it that yes, it is there. And healings are giving us that positive effects, and it is changing our life very positive and very happy. So
Wow.
he confessed that by himself. I didn't ask him
Mm-hmm.
anything, but he confessed it that yes, it is happening, and now I trust it. I
Ah,
trust 100% that yes, it is there.
Priyanka,
Many
that's
people reject.
fantastic.
It is, I'm experiencing that.
Yeah, in
And it's
fact, you mentioned that you have worked on one area and it is reflecting in your other areas, like your house,
yes,
his
yes,
work, your
exactly.
relationship, your health.
Yes.
This is great. And thank you so much for coming on and sharing such personal successes with us. And, Kavita ji, that's really nice of Priyanka to come and share how she has gained this from you. So thank you both very much.
It's my
Thank
pleasure.
you.
It's my pleasure,
Thank
absolutely.
you, Priyanka.